Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponent equations? We have x power of 32 equals 2 power of x. So we have the base of x at the left hand side and the power of x at the right hand side. So let's see the value of x that makes these two sides equals to each other. So there are two methods of solving this on my mind, but I'm going to be presenting one. So if you have any other way we can solve it, we can drop it in the comment box. So see you there. So let's say solution here. So not every time we'll be applying logarithm to solve a kind of question like this. So let's use exponent method of solving this. So we have exponent method. Exponent method of solving this. Suppose I raise both sides of this equation by 1 over 32x. We have x raised to power of 32. So raised to power of 1 over 32x. So this equals 2 raised to power of x and raised to power of 1 over 32x. We know from here that x cancelled x and 32 cancelled 32. So after these cancellations, we are going to have this as x raised to power 1 over x. So this equals 2 raised to power of 1 over 32. So I'm getting to this stage. So we are going to leave this side as it is. So we keep manipulating this until we have the same base and the same power. So if this is x raised to power 1 over x equals, so for this, if I change this one to 2 raised to power of 2 here, so I'm going to multiply this one by 1 divided by 2 times 32. You know, when 2 cancel 2, we still have 2 raised to power 1 over 32. Then we have x raised to power of 1 over x equals 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. Then everything raised to power 1 over 64. So then, again, let's try and manipulate this. Raising this one to the power of 2, then we take that 2 at the bottom of this. We have x raised to power 1 over x equals 4 raised to power of 2. Then raised to power 1 divided by 2 times 64. So having this, we have this as x raised to power 1 over x equals 4 raised to power 2, that is 16. Then 16 raised to power 1 over 2 times 64, that is 128. Then we are going to raise this 16 again by power of 2, and we take 2 at the bottom of the power. So we have x raised to power of 1 over x equals 16 raised to power 2. Then all raised to power 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 128. So here is x raised to power 1 over x equals 16 raised to power 2, that is 256. Then everything raised to power 1 divided by, if you multiply 2 by 128, we are going to have that one as 256 as well. So since we have the same, we are going to compare this one. We are going to compare the base and we compare the power of this. So we compare the base, we are going to have that x equals 256. And we try to compare the power as well. We have 1 over x equals 1 divided by 256. And this is almost equal because, so x equals to x here when we cross multiply. So we have x equals 256. So this is how to solve this, as 256 satisfy this equation when we consider only the real solutions, not complex solution. So I believe there is still another method of solving this. Yes. So we can drop that in the comment box. See you there. Never stop learning. Bye bye.